Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're into Bitcoin and want to know the latest updates along with some smart ways to make money, then this video is for you. Bitcoin is always making headlines, and today I'll break down the most important updates and how you can take advantage of them to grow your wealth. Stick around till the end because I'll share some of the best money-making strategies that even beginners can use. Let's start with the latest Bitcoin updates. As of March 18, 2025, Bitcoin is trading at around $84,000. We've seen some major movements due to recent developments like ETF approvals, regulatory changes, and increased institutional investments. One significant reason why Bitcoin has been in the news lately is the approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs in the US, leading to strong inflows from both retail and institutional investors. This has had a positive impact on Bitcoin's price and the overall market sentiment. So, what's next for Bitcoin? Analysts have varying predictions. For instance, H.C. Wainwright projects Bitcoin could reach $225,000 by the end of 2025, while other forecasts suggest a range between $122,000 and $200,000. However, it's essential to remember that cryptocurrency markets are highly volatile, so these forecasts are not guarantees. Now let's talk about the best ways to make money with Bitcoin. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, here are some strategies you can use. One of the simplest ways to profit from Bitcoin is by holding it long-term. Historically, Bitcoin's price has grown over time, making it a great asset for long-term investors. If you believe in Bitcoin's future, buying and holding could be a smart move. If you're looking for short-term gains, trading is an option. There are two main types of trading: day trading, buying and selling within a single day based on market trends; swing trading, holding for a few days or weeks to take advantage of bigger price moves. Mining is another way to earn Bitcoin, but it requires investment in hardware and electricity. While it's not as profitable as before, joining a mining pool can still generate passive income. Some platforms allow you to stake your Bitcoin and earn passive income through interest. Websites like Mention platforms offer up to mention percentage interest on your Bitcoin holdings. Believe it or not, you can earn Bitcoin for free. Some websites and apps reward users with small amounts of Bitcoin for completing tasks, watching ads, or even playing games. Examples include faucets, websites that give small Bitcoin rewards; cashback apps. Some platforms give Bitcoin as cashback for shopping. If you run a business, consider accepting Bitcoin as payment. This can open your business to international customers and even help you earn more as Bitcoin's value increases over time. And that's a wrap. Bitcoin is constantly evolving, and there are so many ways to make money with it. Whether you're holding, trading, mining, or earning through passive income, there's an opportunity for everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more updates on Bitcoin and crypto money-making tips. Also, let me know in the comments what's your favorite way to make money with Bitcoin. See you in the next video.